Welcome back to another video. Today is April 6, 2024. We're in Sidney, Ohio at the Shelby County Fairgrounds. Monday is the day of the big total solar eclipse. So what we're trying to do today is take you around town, show you what some of the different businesses, different facilities are doing in preparation for Monday. There's only been 21 total solar eclipses that have crossed the lower 48 states of the United States. The last total solar eclipse that was visible in the state of Ohio was in 1806, which we weren't around for that. And the next one is supposed to be in the year 2099.
Won't be there for that either.
I don't think we'll be there for that one. So this is really, truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see the total solar eclipse. We live here in Sidney, so Sidney is in the path of totality. So our plan is to watch this from our house, either our backyard, front yard. We have a field a block down the street from us. We're going to try and capture it the best we can. We don't really have a plan. We've never done it before. The totality of the eclipse is supposed to start around 3:09 p.m. on Monday. And in Sidney, it's going to last for 3 minutes and 52 seconds, which is pretty long. I think the longest place in Ohio is going to be Forest, and it's a little over 4 minutes. So we're gonna get a good shot at it here in Sidney. Some of the different places around town, Lehman High School, they're charging $100 for the day. I think they have food trucks and restrooms. The Church of the Nazarene was $30. They're selling glasses for $2. They're going to have food trucks and restrooms. The drive-in, $20 for the car. Carload is $20. They're going to open their concession stands. The Sidney High School is $75 to park in their parking lot. And they'll have access to the fairgrounds here where
they can walk over to the food trucks here.
Yeah. Shelby County Fairgrounds, which is where we're at right now, they're offering camping for the weekend. $255 to camp for the entire weekend. It's free to get in and out of the fairgrounds for the general public on Saturday and Sunday to take advantage of the food trucks. But on Monday, the day of the eclipse, it's going to be a $40 fee to drive in here with a carload. So,
there's a lot of places around that are all doing this, all the way up and down 75, all the little towns.
Any place that's in this line of totality is supposed to really get packed and busy with people from other towns and other states.
The hotels are going to be sold out.
It appears that a lot of the businesses are being opportunistic on their pricing.
Yeah.
But it's a once-in-a-lifetime event, so we'll see how it goes. We've never been through one. We've never covered one for YouTube, so this is all new to us. Stick around, and next time you see us, it'll probably be the day of the eclipse, and we'll be getting ready in our backyard.
Were we wearing appropriate shirts?
We have the appropriate T-shirts and the appropriate glasses, right?
Right.
Yeah, we'll show you a few clips here of what some of the businesses around town are doing. We're also going to probably take a ride out to the Hickory Hills campground where Country Concert is. They're also doing some camping out there as well. So we'll take a ride out there and see what kind of crowd they have out there. There's only a handful of campers here.
So far, it's early.
Yeah, it's only Saturday, so I mean, this could look a whole lot different Monday morning. But for right now, there's only a handful of campers here at the Shelby County Fairgrounds.
And they have at least 8 or 9 food trucks, maybe, that are out here serving for people who can walk in or drive in right now.
So we'll take a ride and show you around. Well, the day's here. Today is Monday, April 8th, 2024, day of the total eclipse. We're here in Sidney, Ohio, in our driveway. No crowds, no hassles.
Perfect viewing area.
As Sonia said, we've got the appropriate t-shirts on. So it looks like we may have caught a break with this weather because the forecast was calling for a lot of clouds. And right now it's about 1 o'clock and it's not real cloudy. We still got some blue sky up there, so we might catch a break on that. We're gonna have a GoPro mounted up on top of our roof. We're gonna have one mounted on the car across the street. We're gonna have the Osmo here on us, and we're gonna put the drone up and try and capture the
Dusted on and on to dust.
yeah, the totality part. We got about 20 minutes of battery life on the drone, so we have to time that just right or catch it as it falls. So I know that I worked a half day today. Sonia worked a half day. She worked from home. I went in, and it wasn't very I didn't see it very crowded on my way back, and that was at 11. I left work at 11. I noticed some of the places that we went by, the drive-in, the Church of the Nazarene, the church across the street from there. A lot of parking spots left.
It's early too. They might fill up the closer it gets.
So yeah, I don't know. We've never been through one before, but if they're coming, they're running out of time. That's for sure.
We did see a couple of out-of-state cars last night at dinner.
At Culver's,
Culver's.
Yeah. So it could be. We'll see. We've got the perfect spot here in our front yard, so we don't have to worry about fighting any crowds. So hopefully this will be a good video when we're done.
Hopefully.
We'll check back in with you when we get a little closer. Sonia has decided to go down to the local Karak Marathon station and get us some adult beverages,
adult
slushies for the eclipse. So one of these is called Space Dust, and the other is called Eclipse Explosion. One's blue, one's purple. So, cheers.
Ooh, that's good.
It's not bad.
Try. Ooh, I like yours better.
Really?
Yeah. You?
No, they're both about the same. She might be trying to get me liquored up so I fall off the ladder when I put the GoPro up on the roof. I'm not real sure.
Hey.
Drink up, huh?
Drink up. It's a special occasion. Once in a lifetime event.
Little day drinking.
That's right. Not bad, really.
Nope.
It's really good.
Okay, it's almost 3 o'clock. You put your glasses on. The sun is, what, about 3/4 of the way covered, maybe?
It's almost done.
So we're getting close. I didn't fall off the ladder even after she gave me the adult beverage. A lot of the neighbors are out. They're all looking at us with all this camera equipment like, what are these people doing?
It is. You can tell it's kind of getting a little...
It's getting a little cooler.
It's getting a little cooler out too. And as I said, the temperature will drop. It's just like at night. It's 3:08.
One more minute.
One more minute. We should be able to take the glasses off. Which is weird how you can only see a sliver, but if you take your glasses off, it's very, very bright. Should be a nice ring around it once it's closed all the way off.
The Osmo's so good, it's got us some light.
Well, it's just a little... Wow, there it goes. It's going.
It's dark.
Yes, it is.
You can... Oh,
you can almost see. You can take them off.
Yep.
Oh, man, that's awesome.
Get a picture of us. There it is.
Wow.
Never seen that before.
No. See the star?
See the stars.
Oh, Venus, I think that is over there. There's another one over there. It's awesome. Wow, look at that bird up there.
Where's that? There it is. There it is. sure the
street
I'm
lights.
sure the video does not do it justice.
No, the street lights even came on.
Well, it's getting to the point where we're gonna have to put these glasses on real soon because it's starting to get real bright right there.
Oh yeah, I see it now.
There it is. We gotta go glasses now. It's coming back. Yep, it's coming back. Well, we did it.
Wow, that was cool. If you look under your glasses, you can see the daylight.
Yep, it's coming back.
Street lights aren't understanding yet.
You hear the birds? They think it's morning.
Yeah, the birds.
That was a short night, huh?
The birds got quiet. Now they're back.
Let's turn back into daylight.
Wow. Well, we survived the eclipse.
Of course we did. Well,
We have survived the eclipse.
yes, we did. And we had a big disappointment today. When you do this with the videos, there's a lot that can go wrong, and today something went wrong. The drone, we had a SD card malfunction, so we have no footage
From
of
the
the drone.
But we have 3 out of 4, so that's not bad.
Fortunately, our 2 GoPro time lapses, they look pretty good. Still disappointed in the drone, but in most cases, you can put it up and do it again. But this is one of those things that was once in a lifetime, and it's gone, it's gone. So we'll move on. Nothing we can do about it.
No, but you have 4 things going on. One of the cards didn't make it.
So we
Can't help it.
Yeah, we've got our 2 GoPro time lapses. We've got our Pocket Osmo on us. Overall, I thought it was a great experience.
Oh, it was really neat. I mean, you even saw the little red dot at the bottom.
I mean, to witness something like that and think there's no God, there's got to be something wrong with people, because there's no way man could pull that off. That was incredible.
We had the perfect weather for it.
Yes, and they were calling for a cloudy day for probably the last month, and even up until yesterday they were calling for a cloudy day, and it was a darn near perfect sky. So it's still it's not quite 4 o'clock yet, and it's still in a partial eclipse, but it's broad daylight out here now. So
It was just really neat to see how it got dark. It got really eerie quiet. It got colder.
yeah, it seemed to be much more quieter while that was going on.
Like the birds quit singing. You heard nothing.
Like they thought maybe it was nighttime.
Yeah, and then the street lights and the house lights all came on that were automatic. It was kind of weird.
So it'll probably be the only total eclipse
We'll ever get to
we
see.
see for the rest of our lives. So hopefully we got some good footage, even though we had a drone failure.
It happens.
But it didn't crash.
No, it did not fall out of the sky.
Didn't run out of battery. It just didn't record the way we wanted it to. So
Yeah, can't do no take backs on that one.
yeah, you'll have days like that. Unfortunately, this one hurts. But anyhow, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.
See you down the road.